Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Ford Focus ST line. It absolutely drives fantastic. The bodywork is lovely. It looks like half the mileage. It's absolutely fantastic. Privacy glass to the rear, good specification. Smoke chrome alloy wheels, park distance control. Got the full ST line body styling kit. As you can see, boot area is in lovely condition. We've even got the rear parcel shelf. Interior, the ST interior with the red stitch piping, electric windows, centre armrest, some 106,702 miles. Just start the car up. Sounds absolutely lovely. Multifunction steering wheel, got an aux, 6-speed gearbox, 2 keys, onto the media pack, got a satellite navigation just loading up there. It's got sync on it, Bluetooth connectivity. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including on exchange, finance and warranty. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.